my channel Avanti Morocha. Today I'm going to show you how to set up and register your Cricut machine on the computer. Remember, this can all be done on a mobile device too. In January 2020, Cricut Design Space, the desktop version, stopped being a web-based program and became an application that needs to be downloaded and installed on your computer. Today I'm going to show you the updated setup process for Cricut Maker, Cricut Explore and Cricut Joy. Now let's begin. To start the setup for all Cricut machines, go to cricut.com/setup. The link will redirect you to this page. Since I'm using a Mac computer, it shows me Design Space for Mac. If you are using a Windows computer, it will show you the app for Windows. Click on Download. The installation process is similar between Mac and Windows. Open the file. Place Design Space inside your applications. Double-click to open the file. Click on Open. Now I'm going to show you the process for Windows. Click on Download. Open the file and install the application. From now on, the process is the same for both. Click on Product Setup. Now follow the instructions. Select a product type to continue. Click on Smart Cutting Machine. Select the machine that you want to set up. I'm going to show you the setup for Cricut Joy, Cricut Maker and Cricut Explore. I'm going to start with Cricut Maker. Click on Cricut Maker. Create a Cricut ID if you don't have it already. If you bought your Cricut machine on Cricut account, you probably already create one. It will be the same email and password you used to buy your machine. I've already have an ID, so I'm going to sign in. Now I'm going to continue showing you the setup starting with Cricut Maker. Prepare workplace, clear 10 inches 25 centimeters of space behind Cricut Maker. As you can see, I have enough space in the back for the mat to move freely. Find an outlet, plug Cricut Maker into wall outlet and power on. I'm going to connect the AC adapter. The electrical port is on the back of the machine. Plug it to the outlet. Now open your Cricut machine. Turn on the power button. Connect the computer. Use included USB cord to connect Cricut Maker to your computer. Use the USB cable to connect your Cricut machine to your computer. This port goes on the back of your machine and the USB goes to your computer. The USB goes to your computer. Select Maker USB. Click on Continue. Now click on Update. Great, your Cricut Maker is up to date. Click on Next. Success, your Cricut Maker is registered and set up. Click on Next. Let's test a cat. I'm going to use this image. Click on Next. Place a small cardstock on the top left corner of the mat. Confirm the blade is set in place in Clamp V. Push map up under the guides toward the rollers. Press the flashing load button on the machine. I place a piece of cardstock on the mat. Your machine will come with some materials for the test cut. Press the load button that is flashing. Now press the Cricut button that is flashing. I fast forwarded this part of the video. The process to cut this piece took 50 seconds. Remove the extra material. Now remove the piece. After you complete the setup, you can connect your machine via Bluetooth. This way you don't need to use the USB cable. Check my video on how to do it. Select Cricut Explore. Prepare workplace. Clear 10 inches 25 centimeters of space behind Cricut Explore. As you can see, I have enough space in the back for the mat to move freely. Plug Cricut Explore into wall outlet and power on. Connect the power adapter to your Cricut machine. The electrical port is on the back of the machine. Plug it to the outlet. Open the machine. Now press the power button. Use the included USB cord to connect your Cricut Explore to your computer. Select the USB cable. This port goes on the back of the machine. Connect the USB to your computer. Now select R2 USB. Click on Continue. Let's get you the latest and greatest features. Click on Update. Great, your Cricut Explore is up to date. Click on Next. Success, your Explore is registered and set up. Click on Next. Now let's test a cat. Select an image to get started. Click on Next. For this test cat, turn the dial to cardstock. Place a small cardstock on the top left corner of the mat. Confirm the blade is set in place in clamp B. Push mat up under the guides toward the rollers. Press the flashing load button on the machine. Turn the dial to cardstock. As you can see, I place a piece of cardstock on the mat. Load it. Click on the load button that is flashing. To start the cut, click on the Cricut button that is flashing. I fast forwarded this part of the video. The process of cutting this piece took 50 seconds. Remove the extra material. Now remove the piece. After you completed the setup, you can connect your machine via Bluetooth. This way you don't need to use the USB cable. Select Cricut Joy. Prepare workspace. Clear 10 inches 25 centimeters of space behind Cricut Joy. As you can see, there is enough space for the material or mat to move freely. Plug Cricut Joy into wall outlet and power on. The electrical port is on the back of the machine. Plug it to the outlet. Connect via Bluetooth in System Settings. I'm going to show you how to do it. If you have any issues, click on Connection Help. Go to System Preference. Click on Bluetooth. Scroll down to the bottom and you will find Cricut Joy. Now click on Connect. Now you will see that Cricut Joy is connected. If you are using a Windows computer, the process is very similar. Now click on Continue. Let's get you the latest and greatest features. Now click on Update. Great, your Cricut Joy is up to date. Click on Next. Success, your Cricut Joy is registered and set up. Click on Next. Now let's test a cat. Select an image to get started. I'm going to select this image. Click on Next. Confirm the blade is set in place with the clamp closed. Open your Cricut Joy. Insert a smart vinyl under the guides and up against rollers to auto fit. Load the smart vinyl. Start cut, click on go. I fast forwarded this part of the video. The process to cut this piece took 45 seconds. Test cut complete, click on next. Now click on unload. Your Cricut machine comes with a 1-month free trial membership to Cricut Access, only for new subscribers. I recommend using it. You can sign up for it during the setup process. I didn't get the window to try it because I'm not a new subscriber. If you didn't start your free trial during the setup process, go to the sign space, open the drop-down menu, select Cricut Access. Here you will find a button that says Start a Free Trial. I have the membership so you don't see this message. I hope you like this video and you find it informative. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. If you want to learn more about Cricut, you can take one of my beginner classes. For more info, visit my blog avantimorocha.com or my Facebook page. If you are interested in any of these Cricut machines, I'm going to share the links where you can buy them in the info box below the video. If you are new to my channel and you like what you see, hit the subscription button, tap the notification bell so you get informed every time I release a new video. Don't forget to visit my blog, follow me on my social media, like this video and share it with your loved ones. See you soon. Ciao, ciao.